Hi, my name is Brandon LaMarche. This is my intro for Module 1. So some personal information about myself. I'm currently a science teacher at Goddard Middle School in Goddard, Kansas. I've been there for the past 3 years. I am certified in teaching earth science, as well as I am currently getting certified to teach art as well. I've been a baseball coach at Goddard High School for the last 3 years as well, and I've also coached football over at Goddard Middle School and helped out with the high school program over at Goddard High School as well. Over the past 2 years, I've been married to my lovely wife, Courtney. We are expecting our first child on this way coming in November, and I'm also working towards getting a master's in instructional technology. All right, so for school administrators, at GMS, we have two administrators, a head principal and a vice principal. Both had many years of experience in their position. They have, ever since I started at Goddard Middle School, we have had a big emphasis on school culture. We've been a part of a program called Capturing Kids' Hearts for the last 4 years. And in 3 of those years, these past three, we have been what we would call a showcase school. Basically, we are a high example of what a school is like as a part of their program. With Capture Kids Hearts, it's really focused on developing relationships with the kids as well as creating a good learning environment. My administrators have also created different staff groups that focus on school issues. We meet a couple times a year to talk about whatever issue we are assigned to, as well as try to create new policies or edit or change any old ones that might help create a better learning environment. Some examples of these types of groups are ELL students, attendance, behaviors, and technology. And we do have many more of those. Both my administrators are definitely very heavily involved in the school board as well as district administrators, trying to create the best learning environment for our middle school students. We currently teach 7th and 8th graders over at Goddard Middle School. Now, my knowledge of education law, currently have a basic understanding of education law through my teaching program at Kansas State. It has been a while, so definitely need some refreshers and more specifics. We kind of just got a crash course of education law as a part of one of my classes. Big mentor to me, a big help was my teaching mentor when I first started teaching. She helped guide me through some important things to know, like rights for the teacher and communication and all that. So that's been a big help. But I'm personally not familiar with a lot of specifics about educational law. Definitely a lot of refresher is needed, and hopefully through this course we'll be able to get that and kind of then some. But I hope to continue to learn more as we go along with this class. Now that segues into my last slide. My plan for improvement. I will use this class as a learning tool to gain a deeper understanding of educational law. I'll keep up with discussions and reading assignments to gain deeper knowledge as well as different perspectives of educational law from my peers. I will make myself aware of district initiatives or decisions. My district is always in communication with me either through emails or newsletters, as well as monthly faculty meetings about any sort of changes or anything coming up. They're very involved with that. And the last improvement, I will contact my current administrators if I have any inquiries about school law, educational law that might come up. Well, that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the community board.